Today I'm making Buckeye candies. Start with creamy peanut butter, but don't use the natural kind. Softened, unsalted butter and salt, and mix it on medium speed in your stand mixer with the paddle attachment. Mix until it's nearly combined with some visible pieces of butter remaining. Now I'm going to reduce the speed to low and slowly add confectioner's sugar. Mix it until it's just combined and scrape down the bowl if you need to. I'm going to refrigerate this mixture so it's easy to roll. Use a tablespoon measure to scoop out 32 portions. I'm going to use my hands to roll the portions into balls, and I'll put them on a parchment-lined plate. Insert a toothpick about 3/4 of the way into each ball. Now I'm going to put these into the freezer for an hour to firm up. Stir some chopped chocolate into already melted chocolate until it's melted and smooth. Tempering the chocolate like this will keep the candies shiny. Working with one plate of candies at a time, use the toothpick to dip the balls into the chocolate until they're covered by 2/3. I'll pop these in the fridge to set while I dip the other batch. Remove the toothpicks and enjoy your Buckeye candies.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.